Shri Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. A Vaishnava is never Matsara. Matsara means, it is described by Sridhar Swami. Matsarata para utkarsanam asahanam. The material world is such that if your even own brother becomes prosperous, you will be envious. Oh, my brother has become so prosperous, I could not. This is natural here. Jealous, because the jealousy has begun from Krishna. Why Krishna shall be the enjoyer? I shall also enjoy. This jealousy has begun. Therefore the whole material life is full of jealousy. I am jealous of you, you are jealous of me. This is the business of material. So here it is called Vimatsara. No jealousy. How one can be jealous? Less. Unless he is a Krishna devotee. He must be jealous. This is the nature. Therefore Sri Bhagavad says that Dharma projita koitava atra paramaninma sarana vastava vostu vedamatra. Dharma, there are many religious systems. There is jealousy, so-called religious system, cutting the throat of the enemies. Why? If you are so broad-minded that if you see everywhere Narayan, why you are cutting the throat of the goats or the cows or other animals? You should be merciful to them also. But that mercifulness cannot be exhibited without being a devotee, Vimatsara, Nirmatsara. Therefore, this so-called religious system, which is full of matsarata, jealousy, that is called Koitava Dharma, cheating in the name of religion. So, this God consciousness is not a cheating religion. It is very broad-minded. Titiksava Karunika Srida Sarvabhutana. This Krishna consciousness movement means everyone wants to become friend of everyone. Otherwise, if a Krishna conscious person does not feel like that, why he should take trouble to preach Krishna consciousness all over the world? Vimatsara. Yeah, one should understand that Krishna consciousness is so nice that everyone should relish it. Everyone should take part of it. Krishna consciousness means God consciousness. Because people are suffering on account of lack of God consciousness. That is the cause of suffering. Krishna bhuliya jeevi bhogavancha kare, pasete mayatare japotiya dhore. This is the formula. As soon as we forget Krishna, immediately there is Maya. Just like in the sunshine and in the shade, they are existing side by side. If you don't remain in the sunshine, then you come to the shade, darkness. And if you don't remain in the darkness, you come to the sunshine. Similarly, if you don't accept Krishna consciousness, then you have to accept Maya consciousness. And if you don't accept Maya consciousness, then you have to accept Krishna consciousness, side by side. So Krishna consciousness means not to remain in the dark consciousness. Tamasi ma jyotir gama. That is the Vedic instruction. Don't remain in the darkness. And what is that darkness? The darkness is bodily concept of life. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.